For this mountain trip in Greece, we had no guidebook, we couldn't find a map, no one would tell us the way. All we knew was there was a trail up to the ridge.
It's 5 AM in the morning, it's still pitch black, we're supposed to be on holiday, but instead we're going on bikes to climb up the mountain.
Bikes with no lights.
Bikes with no lights. Sorry, thank you. So we're riding through the town with no lights. So we've woken up every dog in the village, but we're now pushing the bikes up to the start of the route. So 30 minutes in, we're up at about 100 meters and we're just stashing the bikes to a tree and then we'll start walking. So we're an hour in, we're at the top of the zigzags, looking out over the town. So the trail starts here. Do you want to head off up the trail, Eric? Boldly. Without tripping over my poles.
That's a recipe for disaster.
So we're 2 hours in now, and we're at the first summit, which we will call the indistinct summit because you can't see it from the ground very easily. So we followed a trail up to here, but from here we have no idea how we're getting across to that one or that one. Time will tell. So this is classic limestone pavement. It's a summit we've called Little Tryfan behind us. No, it's Tryfan we call behind us. But we found some much easier ground now. I'm just coming to some more difficult ground again. We've been spoiled by half a kilometre of easy ground. These great big shrubs and limestone boulders to enjoy. So we're in on the harder ground now. It's great, the bushes are a lot taller, the mini holly. So this guy is an analogue for the way we're walking, we think. Hello, buddy. We're just heading to what will actually be our objective today. The ground's too hard to move quickly on. Well, it's 9:15 and we've reached our turnaround time. We're still actually a long way short of our objective. So we're going to have a little picnic here on top of a massive cliff and then head back. Right, this is best picnic spot this trip. So it's time to head back. So we're going to go along the cliff top a bit, see if we can enjoy some more views.
Ooh. Yeah, that is one way down.
Well, this will do. So this is a summit we've named Tryfan, because it looks like, well, because it looks like Tryfan in North Wales. We've called in on it on our way back. Selfie time.
Oh, 10 seconds. Right. Ready?
Did you remember to suck it in?
Yeah, yeah. Did I? Yeah, reasonably well. Yeah, that's a good one.
Cool. So the other reason we turned around when we did at 9:15 is it's forecast to be a scorcher today, and the GPS is already telling me it's 31 degrees, which for someone from England is pretty hot, really. So about an hour ago I said we're on the summit of Tryfan, but we're not. This is Tryfan and we're on the summit of it. So we're back at First Meadow and it's boiling now, well over 30 degrees, probably 35. It was quite a fight to get here from real Tryfan, but luckily we're nearly at the trailhead now and it's an easy ride home from there. So this is the goat trail down. You can see the sort of light coloured stain on the rock. Well, that was a tough one. Coming down that behind was just really tough, really slow, really long, really difficult, but we're back at the bikes now, so we'll be back at base in just a few minutes.